Welcome to another video, people. Today I am working on a Fiesta 1.0 EcoBoost Titanium, and what I'll be doing today, I will be replacing the brake disc. And the first thing that I need to do is, of course, take out the tire, remove the brake pads. After removing the brake pads, I take out the disc and I go with the disc to the spares so that I can get the correct part, because apparently this car comes with 4 different disc pads across the range of these cars, because it's not only the EcoBoost, you have other different variants in this range. So you need to make sure that you get the correct part. So hence you need to take a sample to the spares so that you don't have to make 2 trips once you have taken it out and you realize that what you have bought is actually not the correct part. So you might need to go back and make another trip to the spares, and it's not something that you want. So be careful, guys.